Hi, good morning. Today I have for you a very interesting piece of news. I hope this video is watched by as many girls and ladies as possible so they know their rights, and I hope it is also watched by as many boys and men and also parents of boys to understand a very common phenomenon which has been romanticized and eulogized in Bollywood films and on Indian films forever and ever since time immemorial. Stalking. Stalking. In the Indian Penal Code, section 354D, and it shall scroll down now, will tell you what is stalking. It is a very common offence in several modern countries of the world. It's a very recognized offence, and it is an offence which very few people commit. Only the seriously deranged and troubled people commit the act of stalking. Stalking is, to put it in layman's language, following a girl, waiting for her, chasing her, trying to get her number, bombarding her with Facebook messages. So following her in real life or on media with the intention to get her to notice you, to do whatever it is that you think you will do with her. That is stalking. So simply put, somebody chasing some girl. Now why is this such a unique problem in India? It is such a unique problem in India because of your movies. Most of us have grown up watching movies where the oft repeated theme right from the word go is that the girl does not know the boy, and the only way the boy wants her to know him is by chasing her, running around her, chasing her, and within the gap of a single song, you see a girl who is just not interested in this moron turning and falling all over him at the end of the song because of his persistent chasing. To tell you how deeply affected the Indian psyche is because of this malady, I will tell you a true incident. In Australia, an Indian man who had migrated there was arrested for stalking ladies. This is not the tragedy of our times. The tragedy of our times is that an Australian court released him when his lawyer pleaded that it is not his fault. He grew up in a country where men are taught or they learn to chase women hoping that the woman will fall in love with him eventually. So the judge must have felt sorry for this poor guy who doesn't understand that you simply don't chase women. Think of it. Somebody, a young Indian boy, grows up into a man watching these movies and thinking you need to sing songs, you need to wait, you need to harass, you need to lie and stand and trap to be able to win a lady's love. I am very certain that 6 out of 10 boys today will not understand that you're simply not supposed to chase a girl. Now the question is, how do you then win her affections? Now that is beyond the scope of this subject, but I can definitely tell you that the ladies now have a rock solid weapon in the form of section 354D of the Indian Penal Code, and what it states, it will scroll down, or it is probably already scrolled down. Educate yourself, understand your rights as a woman. You see an idiot stalking you, go and file an FIR then and there. Go and tell your parents. So your parents, if your parents are watching, they should simply take the girl, go to the police station and file an FIR then and there. By not doing so, you're encouraging the moron to go ahead and become a full-fledged stalker. You're encouraging him to be defiant. You're encouraging him to not only trouble you, but probably other women as well. If you're a boy, you have to get it straight into your head that you cannot lie in wait. You cannot hound and chase and stalk a woman. You have to understand that a no clearly means no, but silence also means no. Only a yes means a yes. So maybe you can do well in your studies, maybe you can win some medals for the country, maybe you can write poetries, and maybe you can hope that she comes following you someday. You simply have to stop following her. That option is gone. If you do it, you are violating section 354D and you shall be punishable. I think the punishment is 3 years jail for first offense, 5 years jail for the second offense. So you want to wait for a girl, you want to hope that she's going to fall in love with you because of your stupid chasing, you're going to go to jail for 3 years. Okay? So I end this piece of news today by telling you that one of your most prominent laws that protects your privacy, that protects your safety has been discussed today. Use it as a weapon. Remember, I do this show to simplify Indian laws, and by doing that I empower you to understand what laws are and to use those laws to make your life better. Thank you. Send me your likes. I like the fact that you're liking my show. It makes me wake up in the morning with enthusiasm. I love what I'm doing because you like it. Thank you.